sounds.
Okay.
So the music instruments, they were invented to basically imitate the sounds of nature. So we have very low sound and we have very high sound, right? And we have middle sound. Actually, I want to test your ears. Can you close your eyes? I'm going to play some sounds and you tell me if they are low, medium or high.
Sure. I'm ready.
Okay, let's see.
It's a medium.
Good. What about
Low.
Are you sure? Because it goes like look.
No, this is the high.
Yes, exactly. So that's the high. When you go like very, very, very thin, it's high.
Okay.
And then this one.
This is the...
So we have high, medium, and low.
Yeah. Actually, I lost a bit.
So let me help you. So this is going to be the low sounds, the medium sounds, and the high sounds.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So
high, medium, low.
then we have registers, yeah? So this one we call the low register, the medium register, and the high register.
Okay.
The human voice, it's very much in the medium register, yeah? So usually people have like 2 octaves, but maybe musicians like Mariah Carey or Whitney Houston, you know, they can go for like 3 and 4 octaves as well. The low sounds, they are meant to imitate, you know, like for example, maybe a roaring lion, you know, or maybe like an elephant. And the high sounds, what could imitate the high sounds? What kind of animals, let's say, or maybe sounds from nature.
High, like...
Imagine like this, something like that.
bird.
Yes, very nice. Okay, so see, it's very much about imitating the sounds. And the piano, it's really great because we have really low sounds, medium sounds, and high sounds. Yeah? So today we're going to create some beautiful, beautiful sounds, okay? I'm going to teach you like a continuation from the last video. We are going to have the first position, which is C position. Yeah. We're going to have both hands in the C position, but we are going to alternate from finger 1 and finger 5.
Okay.
So we're going to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Now you try. Take the position first. Show me the position. Yes. And then alternate. Nice. And then in the left hand, we are going to go the 2 sounds at the same time.
At the same time?
Yeah. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try.
Okay.
So
here, right?
Find the C position. Bravo. Very nice, Lara. Okay.
And here.
And let's try in the same time, yeah? 3, 4. 1, 2.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, let's try again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 4. Yes. So it's like this. We have a beat.
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. So usually before you start any song, you have to really feel the beat. Yeah. Like you always feel the beat first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you start. Okay.
Okay.
So any musician does that, or any band. You know, in a band when the musician, the drummer does the beat first. So it's the same.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. So now the left hand is gonna go to the note F, which is in the left side of the 3 black keys. Yeah. So now you're gonna have the F position.
Okay.
Yeah. And we're gonna press the same way. Okay. 5 and 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now you try only the left. So F is going to be in the left side of the 3 black keys. Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
With here, right?
So let's try only the left for
Okay.
now. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try to connect it with the right hand, yeah?
Like
In
this.
the right hand, we are gonna have the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
At the same time.
See the sound?
Yeah.
See how it sounds like even more rich? Yeah,
Sounds
let's try
good.
it. Exactly. So now we are gonna connect the C position with F position. So it's gonna be like this. 2, 3, 4. Again. Then we change.
This is difficult, but okay.
Don't worry, I'll guide you through
Okay,
it.
so
first we have C position in the left, and then we are gonna go to
like
F
this.
position. That's perfect. And in the right hand, we just keep the C position, the one that we learned already. 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. Now the left we change it to F position. Yes.
F position.
And one more time. Look at you. That was amazing. Okay, that's great. That's it. That was our third session. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching the third session. I'm going to see you in the next one.